hopping on the Center Island water taxi to explore one of Toronto's favorite summer destinations, Center Island. Get ready for a fun and breezy ride across the lake. Get from the bustling city of Toronto to the serene shores of Center Island. Operating from the Toronto Harbour, these taxis are a convenient and fun alternative to the traditional ferry service. Unlike the ferry, which can get crowded, the water taxi offers a more personal and speedy ride, making it perfect for those eager to start their island adventure right away.
Could we put a stroller there, would you mind? I'd suggest against just because it's quiet. There's 2 seats right there. Alright, everybody. Roll off to Center Island. We're going to ask that you remain seated the entirety of our voyage until we're fully docked at Center. We'll be about 5 minutes. Obviously, the life vests are up here. We're going to have a good time. Thank you very much.
Once you're on board, the ride is only about 10 minutes long, but it's packed with incredible views of the Toronto skyline and Lake Ontario. So make sure to have your camera ready for some fantastic shots. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of some local wildlife. Keep an eye out for the ducks and swans that call the harbor home. Now, here are a few fun facts about the Center Island water taxi. Did you know there are multiple water taxi companies? Each offers slightly different services, so you can choose one that fits your schedule. The taxis run frequently throughout the day during the summer months, so you'll never have to wait long for your next ride. They also operate on-demand service, which means you can often get a ride even outside the regular schedule. Just give them a call. As you approach Center Island, you'll be greeted by lush greenery and the welcoming sounds of nature. Center Island is part of the Toronto Islands, a chain of small islands that offer a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Whether you're here for a relaxing day on the beach, a family picnic, or some fun at the amusement park, there's something for everyone. And thanks to the water taxi, you'll have more time to enjoy it all.
Okay, everybody, welcome to Center Island. Have fun, enjoy your day.
And there you have it, a quick and fun way to get to Center Island. We hope you enjoyed this virtual ride with us today. If you're planning a trip to Toronto, be sure to give the Center Island water taxi a try. Thanks for watching Bezirgen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel tips and adventures. See you in the next video.